Birds are vertebrate animals adapted for flight. Many can also run, jump, swim, and dive. But if you see, most of us spend our days online. It's always important to unplug and step outside for a little sunshine and fresh air. Maybe it's going for a walk in the park or planning a hike on a sunny weekend. Whatever you decide, we're sure it will be full of awe. And to celebrate Earth gifts, we are sharing some amazing nature pics to emphasize some of the beauty and wonders of Mother Nature. If you want to see most beautiful pics of nature, beauty of nature, amazing facts, then please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.